Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 56 Elegant and Modern Kitchen Makeovers, where we explore inspiring transformations that combine elegance and functionality. These kitchen designs are not just about aesthetics, they're about creating a space that truly works for you. A well-designed kitchen is the heart of every home. Whether you're preparing meals, gathering with loved ones, or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, these spaces enhance the experience. Imagine sleek marble countertops paired with warm wooden cabinetry that invites both luxury and comfort, or a bright, minimalist layout with clever storage solutions to keep your kitchen organized and stress-free. Modern kitchen designs also prioritize innovation and practicality. Picture smart appliances that streamline your cooking process or lighting solutions that set the perfect ambience for any occasion. These kitchens are designed to make everyday living easier, more efficient, and undeniably stylish. From cozy, compact layouts perfect for city living to expansive kitchens designed for entertaining, each makeover in this video tells its own story. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own renovation or simply love admiring stunning designs, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey of style and creativity. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment to share your favorite design, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy 56 Elegant and Modern Kitchen Makeovers.